So masking icons can be used for a variety of reasons when starting CVES with an individual. One of those reasons is to help with visual motor integration. We want words in the system, in a low-tech system, to be maintained in the same location. This will help create a motor plan for each word, and when we combine the act of a motor movement to reach for an icon in combination for the language of that word on the icon, we develop motor automaticity. We have a convergence of motor and language together. So when we have masking icons, we can provide a very large, robust vocabulary set for a child without visually overwhelming a individual. So we can take masking icons provided in the kit like this, remove them, and hide as many or as little number of words as we want. So you can see that I've covered a variety of words in the center panel. I have the word open and in that I may be focusing on with that child. If I want to focus on one word in particular, I may hide every icon around that word with my white masking icons. This helps the individual focus on the word that's highlighted, in this case, open. So I'm going to help with visual motor integration here by highlighting this word. I may place my finger under the word, and that individual is going to know what word to use in that situation. As we are adding words to a child's vocabulary, we can remove the surrounding masking icons and add in a core vocabulary word. So for example, here is a masking icon, and underneath is the word go. If I'm focusing on the word go and want to teach that word to the individual, I'm going to place the word go on top of it. I'm going to leave the word open, which I've already taught, and I'm adding the word go to the child's vocabulary. This process can continue as we continue to teach new words to the individual.